गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फन विद छवि। सो आज हम पढ़ेंगे माय होम योर होम। एक इंग्लिश लेसन है, बहुत अच्छा है। तो सबसे पहले एक्टिविटी टाइम। इस एक्टिविटी के आंसर आप अपनी नोटबुक में डालना। ओके, फिल इन द मिसिंग लेटर्स एंड कंप्लीट द नेम ऑफ द फूड आइटम्स यू may use the clues to complete the names. Okay. Firstly, my name rhymes with Marley. Answer is barley. Okay. You might like to spread me on a slice of bread. Butter. I make things too sweet. Sugar. When you chop me, I can make you cry. Onion. You can bake me into a cake. Flour. Once I was a fresh grape. When I dry up, you put me in a cake. Raspberry. Raisin. ओके, सेक्शन 1। तो हम ये स्टोरी क्या कहते हैं, मिकी और मिस्टी दो चूहे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। तो मिकी ये है वीआईपी और मिस्टी ये है बेचारा करीब। तो चलो रीडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। ओके। Once upon a time, there was a little mouse called Misty. He lived in the country. One day he asked a little mouse called Mickey from the city to visit him. When Mickey arrived, they sat down for dinner. Misty gave him barley and cauliflower to eat. Mickey was surprised. Really? He said. You do not eat well at all. You should see how I live. I have all sorts of fine things to eat every day. You must come to visit me. It is really very nice to live in the city. Little Misty did just that. A few weeks later, he went to the city to visit his friend. Mickey took Misty to a cupboard. It was in the kitchen of the house where he lived. They climbed onto the lowest shelf there behind some stone jars. Next page. Stood a big bag of brown sugar. Little Mickey grabbed a hole in the bag. Then he invited his friend to have some sugar. The two little mice nibbled and nibbled. Misty thought it was the most delicious thing he had ever eaten. How lucky Mickey is, he thought. As he ate, suddenly the door opened with a bang. The cook, Mary, wanted to get some flour. Run, whispered Mickey. They ran as fast as they could. They rushed into the little hole from where they had come in. Poor Misty was shaking all over. However, Mickey said, "That's nothing. She will soon go away. Then we can go back." After the cook had gone away and shut the door, they stole softly back. This time Mickey had something new to show Misty. He took Misty into a corner on the top shelf. A big jar of raisins stood there, open. After much tugging and pulling, they got a large raisin out of the jar onto the shelf and began to nibble at it. This was even better than the brown sugar. Misty liked the taste so even better than the brown sugar. Misty liked the taste so much that he ate it as fast as he could. All at once, they heard a scratching at the door and a sharp, loud meow. Okay, guys, section 3. What is that? Asked Mickey, alarmed. Mickey whispered, shh. Then he ran as fast as he could to the hole. Misty ran after him as soon as they were out of danger. Mickey said, that was Bella, the old cat. She is the best mother in town. If she catches you, you are lost. This is really terrible, said Misty. Let us not go back to the cupboard again. No, said Mickey, but I will take you to the cellar. There is something special there. So Mickey took his little friend down the cellar stairs. They went into a big cupboard where there were many shelves. On the shelves were packets of butter and sugar. There were tins of grains and jams. Overhead hung bunches of onions and there very spicy pickles in jars standing about. It smelled so good that it went to little Misty's head. He ran along the shelf and nibbled at some grain here and a bite of butter there until he saw an especially rich, delicious smelling piece of cheese on a funny little stand in a corner. He was just about to put his teeth into it when Mickey saw him. Section 4, guys. Stop, stop, cried Mickey. That is a trap. Misty stopped and said, what is a trap? That thing is a trap, said little Mickey. The minute you touch that cheese with your teeth, something comes down on your head, then you are dead. Then little Misty looked at the trap and he looked at the cheese and he looked at Mickey. If you will excuse me, he said, I think I'll go home. It's nice to have brown sugar, raisins and butter, but I don't want to be pretended to that all the time. I'd rather have barley and cauliflower to eat it in peace and comfort. So Misty went back to his home and there he stayed for the rest of his life. So guys, कैसा लगा आपको ये सेकेंड चैप्टर? पहले मैं आपको इसकी कुछ वो बता देती हूँ, कुछ ग्लॉसरी. ठीक है. Was shaking all over, was so scared that his body was shaking, stole softly back, went back very quietly. Best mouser, the best mouse under, cellar, room below ground level in a house, often used to store things. Okay, overhead, above the head, to be frightened to death, to be every scared. Okay, तो अभी इसकी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. ओके, तो इन एक्सरसाइज के आंसर आप अपने कमेंट में सेक्शन में लिखना, या अगर आप एमरल्ड इंटरनेशनल स्कूल से हो तो नोटबुक में लिखना. आफ्टर द कुक वेंट अवे, मिकी एंड मिस्टी एट रैजन. ट्रू और फॉल्स? मिस्टी डिड नॉट लाइक द टेस्ट ऑफ द रैजन. The mice hide in a hole to get away from Bella the cat. Answer in comments. Misty did not like the taste of raisins. Mickey then took Misty to the cellar. Misty ate onions and pickles in the cellar. Mickey nearly ate a piece of cheese in a trap. Okay. Now take the correct answer. Okay. What did Misty the country mouse eat at home? Barley and cauliflower. Where did Mickey first take Misty? To the kitchen cupboard. What was on the top shelf of the kitchen cupboard? Raisins. Why did Misty go back to the country? He did not want to be pretended all the time. Okay.